What is going on, Toshi family? Hope you guys are having a beautiful day. I know that I am. I'm having good of a day as I can. Listen, guys, the markets have actually been holding up pretty well. We didn't see a dump on a Sunday yet again, after a long while, because it seems like every weekend we have just been dumping. And honestly, seeing this is a little bit refreshing. We're seeing Bitcoin pump around 87. We're seeing Ethereum get close to 3K, and we're seeing some meme coins, some mid-cap meme coins holding up really well. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at Toshi, our favorite base meme coin, taking a look at how well it's holding up, and there's been a big green candle towards the upside as well. So a lot of things unfolding. We're going to take a look at some fundamentals, and we're going to get right into today's video. I am in a rush here, but I'm still trying to get these daily crypto videos out for you guys. So if you've enjoyed and you support this channel, make sure you guys subscribe, you like this video so YouTube pushes it out on the algorithm just a little bit more, and hit the bell notification so you never miss out on an upload. With that being said, let's get right into today's video. Now, the first thing I want to take a look at is this absolutely brilliant person who posts this tweet over here goes by the name of Roshawn Silva. I want you guys to go over to the X account and follow this guy right away. Now, why is this important, this tweet? The Russell 2000 just tapped its multi-year resistance for the first time since the last real bull market, while PMI is still contracting at 48. This is wild. Now, why does this matter for crypto? Because small cap plays, guys, the Bitcoin versus alt chart, they are the first to die in tightening cycles and the first to rip when liquidity returns. And this exact combo, the Russell 2000, which is the smallest 2000 stocks in America, is at resistance. Plus, the PMI bottoming has marked the start of every major economic expansion since the early 90s. Literally every single one. So if the Russell 2000, guys, is basically a great indicator of where small market cap plays, especially in crypto, could potentially go. This isn't necessarily comparing Bitcoin, because if you've been following me for a while, you should know now, guys. I think that Bitcoin isn't going to have the craziest run in 2026, but I do believe altcoins, meme coins, small market cap plays are going to have a massive rally come next year, 2026. You can see here, this year we had 10 to 12 months in fear and 2 months in greed. We're barely above neutral levels. Many won't admit it, but it looks likely 2025 was the start of the bear market for alts, with Bitcoin being the sole pumper driven from monetary policy and huge debt, which is very interesting. So if this pans out, guys, we could see, us starting to get bullish in 2026. If that is the case, we should see a lot more hype, especially in the fear and greed index. The greed, he's absolutely correct, guys, okay? Whatever your take is on Crypto John, the greed that I've been tracking, we have never really gotten to extreme greed territory. We haven't really gone there, except back in November 2024, which is barely that. It was 87. That is nothing, right? We've seen extreme greed levels in 90s in the past bull run, but we have not yet seen that. Overall, crypto is holding up significantly well. Bitcoin sitting at 87.6, Ethereum at 2.8. Fear and greed index is still absolutely hammered. The most amount of extreme fear days back to back that we have ever seen, which again, there's a lesson in there. And guys, we have been calling some plays over in the private Discord. We called one recently at $320,000 market cap, ran up to over 650K, which again, we will take a 2x in this market. We will take anything we can in this crypto market. So if you guys are new and you're looking for a place to park your funds, you're looking for a place, guys, to learn how to buy, to learn how to sell, to learn how to navigate these crypto markets, honestly, I couldn't recommend it more enough, because there's people that are beginners, experts, and people from all different walks of life who are all after the same exact goal, that are chasing that same goal that you are, that time, that mental, that location, that financial freedom. There's a link in the description for you guys to get started and for you guys to join up. So listen, take advantage of it, guys. Honestly, as of right now, we're not sending as many buy alerts. We're very selective with what we are sending, but the ones that we have been sending out have been doing really well. So just keep that in mind, fellas. Now, when it comes to Toshi, again, solid project, guys. In the last year, it's still up 54%. In the last 24 hours, actually up 15.83%. You love to see it. Volume is actually up 749%. Do you understand how much volume has just flown into this project? That is actually ridiculous, okay? It goes to show you that there are people who believe in this project. That obviously resulted in the spike in price that we saw, the 15% rise in price, considering that a lot of other crypto right now is down. A lot of meme coins are down. I've seen meme coins that were once trading above Toshi's market cap that are literally sitting under $100 million market cap. So obviously, guys, there is a very big lesson in there. That green candle didn't move slowly. It ripped straight through the range and woke the whole market. Strong volume plus clean breakout equals momentum is alive. Quick moves like this, don't wait. Enter with discipline and let the trend work for you. Again, you can see here, this green candle, guys, this support area. I told you guys, this support is a very good buying opportunity if that is something that you were looking for. That move from the absolute bottom of this support area was about 38%. That's not something that to take lightly, okay? We pumped from 145 million, or sorry, let's see here. 100 and, here, let me get rid of this. 145 million all the way to 200 million dollars, okay, in one single candlestick. That just goes to show you how fast these crypto markets could move. So listen, if you faded crypto for a while, there is still signs of life, and there's really only one of two ways this market could go, guys. It's either we topped out, we had the peak for the bull run, or we are just getting started. And economic data, economic factors all point in the latter half is that we are just getting started. QT is coming to an end. There should be a large inflow of liquidity coming into the markets very soon. The Trump stimulus checks are to come out by mid-2026. So obviously, a lot of bullish things are in works. One thing I will say is make sure you guys are following Toshi over on X. You want to stay up to date with all the relevant information, guys, because it's one thing to hear from me, but it's another to get it straight from the source. This weekend was a textbook validation for Toshi's bull case. Why is that? Toshi on base is consistently outperformed top memes and other projects that are multiple of its own market cap. Or in other words, Toshi has consistently performed at valuation much higher than its current market cap, comparable to many projects in the billions. Look at the last 24 hours, pick for a seat performance. Toshi had the sixth total largest trading volume of any meme coin. It was ahead of Shiba Inu, Pudgy, and Bonky and Floki. It has the second best gain percentage-wise in the last 24 hours out of the top 15 largest volume meme coins. It's quite literally just a matter of time before repricing it to its fair value. All you have to do is hold. Are you patient enough? I know I am. Toshi, the strongest and most resilient meme coin by far on base, and also compared to all other cat meme coins since the market went sour. Couldn't agree more. This is a project that you definitely need your eyes on, and it's one that I have been bullish on for so long. So shout out to the Toshi community. You guys deserve this, guys, and honestly, super excited for the price action that I am seeing in the markets right now. Toshi just broke into the top 10 by trading volume on official Upbit. Korea loves the blue cat. Listen, the people down in Southeast Asia, they know what they're doing. They're bullish on the blue cat. So I'm asking you, how do you feel about it? Are you still bullish on Toshi? Are you selling your Toshi, or are you accumulating more right now? The thing that I'm doing right now, guys, I'm taking a step back from the markets, closing my screen and waiting for me to get a clear indication of where to go. In hindsight, always buying the fear has always resulted in a W. So do with that as you will. But remember, guys, none of this is financial advice. Please do your own research, your own due diligence before you buy into anything. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much, family. God bless you. Jesus loves you. Take care. And yeah, guys, peace out. Also, this video has to be longer by like 5 seconds for the sole reason, guys, that I need to get it to over 8 minutes. So if you're still here, I love you guys. Peace out.